In previous class, we have discussed about the difference between the concave mirror and convex mirror focus. And today we are going to discuss about formation of images by concave mirror. Formation of images by concave mirrors. And the first one is, we see that, let us take a concave mirror, and here it is the principal axis. I have told you what is principal axis, a line which passes the center of curvature and the pole, that is known as the principal axis, and a ray of light parallel to the principal axis incident on a concave mirror. Then after reflection it passes through its focus. Passes through its focus. That is the first rule of concave mirror, formation of images. We can write it. A ray of light parallel to the principal axis. ये हमारी ray of light है. Ray of light that is parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it passes through the focus. और ये रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद ये कहाँ से होके जाएगा? फोकस से होके हमारा जाएगा. एंड सेकेंड रूल इज, लेट अस टेक अ कॉन्केव मिरर and here we take a principal axis. When a ray of light incident through the focus, then after refraction it become parallel to the principal axis. जब भी कोई लाइट क्या होती है, फोकस से होकर इंसिडेंट होती है हमारी कॉन्केव मिरर पे, तो ये क्या हो जाती है? प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल हो जाती है. A ray of light passing through the focus of a concave mirror. हमने अब बताया था कि कोई भी एक रे ऑफ लाइट होता है जो पास करता हो फोकस से, देन आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट बिकम्स पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. दैट इज द सेकेंड रूल. एंड थर्ड रूल इज, here we take a concave mirror and here is a principal axis. When a ray of light passing through the center of curvature, then it retraces its path after the reflection. A ray of light passing through the center of curvature, then passing through the center of curvature, then after reflection it retrace its पाथ. मतलब कोई भी लाइट जो होती है वो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से अगर होकर जाती है और हमारी कॉन्केव मिरर पे इंसिडेंट होती है, तो आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन क्या होती है? उसी पथ से वापस आ जाती है.